Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. So you may have visited restaurants in the past and noticed the green vegetables are really bright green. You get it a lot in Thai restaurants particularly. So today I'm going to show you how to keep the colour of your green vegetables. So we've got some broccoli here, some snap peas, and it even works for carrots. You get a nice vivid colour. Trick is a pinch of bicarb of soda and just a pinch of salt just for some light seasoning. Boil that up. Now I'm going to add the carrots first because they take longer to cook, and literally 40 seconds. The more bicarb of soda you use, the more softer the vegetables get very quick. So you do not want to overcook the vegetables, you want them al dente or crisp to the tooth. So those seem to have got brighter. It's only been about 40 seconds. Next, in with the broccoli. What you're going to see is how dark green they go very, very quickly. And here's one that hasn't been cooked, and you can just see how much darker and more vivid the blanched broccoli is. Next I'm going to add the snap peas, or you could use munge too, green beans. It works with absolutely any vegetable. And let's just watch the colour change as we give them a stir. And literally now the carrots have been blanching for about 2 minutes, the broccoli for 1 minute, and those peas another 40 seconds, and the whole medley of vegetables will be done. Just use a sieve just to stop any disfiguration of the vegetables, and just run the cold tap over the vegetables for a minute or two. Some people use an ice bath and do a real Charlton Heston approach, food science, but it's really not necessary. So I'll just let that continue to pour until everything's nice and cooled down and definitely stopped cooking. So that didn't take long at all. So thanks to the wonders of bicarb of soda, we've got some nice bright vegetables that are parboiled, nice al dente, crisp to the tooth. One thing I would say about the technique and criticise it, it does destroy some of the vitamins. So very poncy and superficial way to do the vegetables, but if you want to impress your guests and it's a one-off, why not? So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe.